Dial is the latest in push-button shower technology, which enables you to precisely control the flow of the water as well as the temperature. Simply push the button to open the water and turn for accurate flow control. There is a dedicated temperature control. A third button controls a second outlet on this 2000 model, like the handset shown here, which can be used in tandem or independently from the first outlet. This innovation not only looks smart, it's smart on the inside using pioneering flow control technology. Single or double outlet options are available, as well as a bath filler option with an integrated handset. Push button 3-function handset. Also available in a single outlet option, Dial is a step forward in on-off and water flow control technology with the touch of a button. This allows for total control over your bathing and showering experience. Dial is available in 4 designs: the inspiring central, the graceful period look of Belgravia, the sophisticated and sublime pier range, and the contemporary classic look of Kai Lever. Dial from Crosswater is the latest in push-button shower technology.